So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She has hair just past her shoulders. And switches it up with this beautiful pixie style. Loving the color combination on this as well. She also got an undercut. Nice modern hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformation. Beautiful shoulder length bob blonde hair change. She looks absolutely amazing. Loving the new cut and color combo. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we see someone with shoulder length hair once again. Wow, what an amazing color change. She looks absolutely beautiful. And then we see yet another major color change. Gorgeous, wow. Next up, we have someone trying out the bob hair trend. Stylist puts in some volume at the crown with this blowout. And then adds in a nice tassel texture. So we have some hair extensions being added for this transformation. And then we go into yet another major transformation. So she has hair just below her shoulders, about mid-length or so. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Now it looks like the stylist is giving her a lot of fullness within the way that he's doing the cutting. And he is doing more of an angled bob shape for this particular look. I think the color looks unreal within this bob haircut, just gorgeous. So I hope that you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.